In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll be able to drop in links to files from your cloud storage so your team can access the right document without hunting for it. Start by heading to the Microsoft Loop site in your browser. On the home screen, click the cloud icon to open Loop. If you're prompted, sign in with your work or school account so you can get to your content. Once you're in, choose the workspace you want to work in. Workspaces are like folders for projects or teams, so pick the one where your page or plan lives. This keeps everything organized and ensures the right people see your attachment. Open the page where you want the document to appear and click into an empty spot on the canvas. That click sets the exact place where your attachment card will go. It's a good idea to choose a location near related text, tasks, or decisions so the document has context. Now grab the document you want to add, go to Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, and copy the link to that file. The fastest way is to open the file's share menu and copy its link. Before you leave, double check the sharing settings. Make sure your teammates have permission to at least view the file. Otherwise, they'll see an access request instead of the content. If your organization requires restricted access, share it directly with the specific group or people who use this Loop page. Jump back to your Loop page, right-click where you place the cursor, and choose Paste. If you prefer shortcuts, you can use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Loop will automatically recognize the link and convert it into a smart card with the document's title and its provider, like Drive or OneDrive. This keeps the page tidy and instantly tells everyone what the link points to. If the link stays plain for a moment, give it a second to unfurl, or press Space or Enter to prompt the preview. From here, your team can open the document straight from the card. If anyone reports they can't access it, revisit the file's share settings and adjust the permissions to match your team's needs. That's it. You navigated to your workspace, chose a spot on the page, copied the document link from your cloud storage, and pasted it into Loop to create a clean, clickable attachment. Keep using this flow to centralize specs, slides, and sheets right alongside your notes and tasks.